Hi, I'm Armando Cobian, and welcome to Jackass! Ah! Sorry if it's a little windy, but today I will be building a drip irrigation system for Christina's raised garden bed using PVC pipe, some fittings, a pipe cutter, tape measure. I'll be using a drill and some PVC cement. Cue to the 80s montage. So, when I started the video, it was Saturday. It was sunny. It was in the 60s. A little windy. It's the next day, Sunday, and it's snowing. You know, Chicago. But anyways, ran out of time yesterday. Some of the stuff, nothing's really too hard, but it's tedious and time-consuming. I had some family coming over, so grilled out, had dinner. So I didn't finish yesterday, so I came out and just finished up this first side, and let me take you for a walk through it. Here's the north side irrigation system. I have not assembled the other side. I've got some pipe laid out, but I'm gonna wait till it's not snowing and really gross out to work on that side. Anyways, so once everything's all up and running, we will attach garden hose to this spigot and turn it on. I have PVC cement in here because this is where the pressure is going to be, and then once the hose is on, then I control the water pressure with this shut-off valve, and then from here water will pour into this irrigation system. Throughout the system, about every 6 inches or so on each side on those marks I lined up, I drilled some holes, so when the water's running, water will be sprouting out of these two sides and then watering all the soil below. So basically, along these pipes, water should be sprinkling out. Over there it's plugged up, but I just had that for stability. Due to the beds I couldn't have everything flush down, so sort of above the bed. And then I got one straight brace going all the way across, and then within each bed it tees off. These all have little irrigation holes for water to sprinkle out, and it ends over here, so hopefully there should be enough pressure for water to evenly flow throughout here. If not, I could always add, or I could always tweak stuff around, and then once that's all set, I will do the other side, and watering the garden will be much simpler and time efficient. So I got all these 3/4 inch PVC pieces at Home Depot. All together, with all the parts, spent about $100, somewhere in that ballpark. Really affordable for the quality of life improvement this will be in terms of time efficiency with watering our garden. Now, if it didn't snow today, I probably would have turned the outside water on and tested it, but that'll wait for another sunny, warm weekend, which hopefully we should have fairly soon. We'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching, and peace, y'all. Oh yeah, cowabunga.